Hi and welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to comment on a Trello board. So if you haven't already logged in, simply go to your web browser. For me, I will be using the Google Chrome and log into your Trello account. Alright, so I'll simply log in over there. Comments help to keep everyone on the same page. They allow team members to share updates, clarify tasks, ask questions, and provide feedback directly on each card. This reduces confusion, improves collaboration, and ensures that important information stays organized and easy to find within the workflow. So we'll just be working with the last board we work with, which is the social media planner. Right. So the first thing you want to do is to open up your board and then head over to the particular card with which you want to add a comment to. So I would just work with my Facebook card over here. So the first thing you want to do is edit, open the card up, and then it will lead you to this page. To leave a comment on a Trello board, what you want to do is head over to the comment and activity section, as you can see over here. All right, and then simply add a comment. Let's say I want to leave a comment on this board. Hi, kindly complete tasks. All right, so this is how you can add and save a comment. You can do just more than that. You can also add attachment, insert link. As you can see, you can decide to open dialog, add attachment, as you can see over here, and then pick any file from your system to your Trello board. You can decide to attach link, bolden your comments, use any of these features, and these are examples of comments, as you can see on my Trello board. So this is a very simple and straightforward way that you can add comments to your Trello board. I hope that this task was seamless for you and you'll be able to add comments without any further ado on your Trello board. So thank you so much for watching this video. Until the next one, bye for now.